Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back to Cabello and welcome to a new series that I'm gonna be doing in the channel. This is gonna be week number 7 of growing my patchy beard. So yeah, it's basically the same thing as the minoxidil updates, but I'm gonna be doing this weekly and I'm gonna be doing this with my beard. I wanna grow it for 3 months. So yeah, let's get started with my good side, my left side, which is this right here. So again, this is 7 weeks of growth. You can see how the long hair is actually covering some of this patch right here. That's a bigger patch than it would normally be if my hair wasn't longer. So you can see that, yeah, my hair is covering that patch there. And it's looking pretty good, honestly. I really don't mind it. Now the problem comes when you look at my right side, which, yeah, as you can see, that's my weak side. It's really bad right here. There's like a hole there, and it's just not looking great on the left. It's crazy when you compare it to the right. The right looks so much thicker. I mean, it is kind of empty down here, which is kind of important for a longer beard. But yeah, so that's the sides. Here's the middle area. My mustache is still not coming in. I don't know. It's all transitional, I guess, and it's not a lot of hair there. This connector is nice and connected. Most of it is terminal. This is all terminal. This is terminal here. I think in the middle there's still some transitional, but it's looking really good. Here's the under chin. No hairs at all here after growing for 7 weeks. But definitely more hair here in this area, and some new hair there after growing for 7 months. So now we go on the neck area. It's hard to show, but here we go. So here's the neck area. So you can see there's a big spot right here. It's not empty, it's just very, very thin hair on this area. Yeah, I don't know how that's gonna look like after 3 months of growth, but that's what this experiment is for, just to see what a very patchy beard will look like after 3 months. So in this side, it's even worse. There's like a hole there. You can see like this hair here is thicker, and this hair right here too, and then there's just really thin hair here. Either way, I think minoxidil is gonna help me a lot. I'm honestly like so proud of and so happy of what I've been able to grow with minoxidil. Um, Obviously, you can go back and see my first video on the channel, and you can see where I started. Even 3 months in compared to now, it's crazy progress. Just I started with very little, but yeah, I'm really happy that minoxidil is working, and I'm gonna be doing this experiment for 3 months again, just because I want to see what it looks like. I mean, I'm not expecting it to be a full crazy Viking beard or anything. I just like to experiment with my looks and with my hair in general. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a try. I'm probably not gonna keep it after 3 months. I'm probably not gonna keep it that long. Probably gonna trim back to somewhere around this length, maybe shorter, but we will see. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be all for today. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, and so you can keep up with the weekly updates on my beard growth. And yeah, I will see you next week then. See ya.